What's going on YouTube? This is Popo Rides here. I am doing my last review on the motorcycle I test rode. It's the 2024 XSR900. This bike, it's a little different, from the previous ones I test rode. It's more of a cafe racer type, with the round headlight and the way it looks. But motorcycle feel nice. It got the triple cylinder, the CP3 engine like the MT-09 and the Tracer 9, the same engine. This one, comes in the weight of 425 pounds with the same displacement. It's 890 cc's. Seat height is 31.9 inches. The fuel capacity is 3.7 gallons, and the motorcycle I test rode was the color is the Heritage White. Um, yeah, this motorcycle right here is pretty decent. When I test rode it, I felt like I was a little leaned over more than the MT10, but other than that, the motorcycle felt pretty. The thing I like about this motorcycle is the horsepower. It's 117 horsepower and the torque 68.6. I get this off the internet. It didn't have it on the Yamaha website. List I didn't look good enough, but there you go. So the ride quality, it was pretty decent for the motorcycle it is. Like I said before, I felt a little more lean over versus the other bikes I test rode. It felt like more lean over versus the MT10 I test rode. The ride quality felt decent. When you lean the bike over, it didn't feel like it want to tip over. Uh, the bike was, you know, to me, it's good, but that's not the type of bike I'm looking for. It does have cruise control. I guess with that type of bike, you gotta have cruise control. What else I can say about this bike? It's got a pretty decent price tag, starting off at the 10299 for the 2024 model, but I think the 2025 model the price went up as per what I see on Yamaha's website. It's 10599, went up $300. So if you have a chance to test ride or do a demo day with Yamaha, I highly suggest that you do. Everybody have a great day. Everybody have a great day.